Don't tell anybody, but it's a little tiny piece of paradise.
They call Savary Island Hawaii of the North. The beaches are very reminiscent of Hawaii or some other place like that. Big stretches of white sand for kilometers and kilometers.
Savary is up the coast from Vancouver, and it will take you 2 ferries and a water taxi to get here. Or if you come from Vancouver Island, just 1 ferry and a water taxi. There are no hotels or condos on Savary, fancy restaurants, or serve Mai Tais. No mail service, no FedEx, no Amazon, no mayor, no visible police force. And as far as retail goes, not much. There's a general store that's open year-round, and in the summer you'll see a bike rental shop, pizzeria, and a handful of food trucks. What to do on the island? Well, go to the beach, enjoy island life, bike ride, and of course, take lots of photos. Photographically, if you enjoy island sunrises and sunsets and capturing memories of summer that will remind you of your childhood, well, Savary's the place for you. Vancouver Boulevard is the main road that goes all over the island. The access roads bring you down to the beach. Just head down those side roads and welcome to paradise.
I've spent my whole summer here, every summer. It's very, some people would say rustic, I suppose, or remote. There's no infrastructure, there's no hydro or power or anything like that. Yeah, it's a great place to be.
We first visited in 2010, and 12 years later, there are some changes. There's more people here now.
So it's grown and grown and grown over the years.
Yeah, the numbers have quadrupled in terms of people that live here, and like a 200% increase in year-round residences. So the island has definitely changed, even in my short 24 years of being alive.
The best way to see Savary is by foot or by bike. It's not like there's a lot of alternatives, right? There is a bike shop in town that will rent you bikes and take you to these wonderful, quiet, deserted roads that lead all over the island, as well as those access roads that bring you to the beach, like Patricia Crescent right here. When I asked about the best sunset spot, well, that would be Indian Point, 5 miles down the road from the boat dock. That's all the way on the other side of the island. Good news, my newfound friends Joan and Larry thought that might be a little far to go on a bike because I'd be riding back in pitch darkness. So nice people that they are, they agreed to offer us a ride and join us for the sunset.
I have been here a couple of times for sunsets, and they are amazing.
Why here versus the other side of the island?
Because this is the most westerly point of the island, so we're looking due west.
It did not disappoint. Check it out. For sunrise, check out the beach down Patricia Crescent, which is just up the road past the market. It was awfully quiet and colorful when we went down there. Making new friends on the island is easy to do. I love jamming with Larry in his island studio. Remember, the only way to get to the island is by water taxi or barge. That's a whole lot of guitars and amps to have to make room for. Have you been to other Canadian islands?
I have been to some other ones, yeah, especially in this area.
How does this compare?
This is the only island entirely made of sand. The other ones are all rock, like glacial rock and things like that. So though there are similarities in like the type of trees and stuff, nothing compares to Savary Island.
Yeah.
What if somebody stabs somebody or something?
Oh, we have the RCMP. They're governed by us, and
here?
they come. They usually come on a long weekend, and they will come here. We also have, if it was a really super emergency of some kind, the Coast Guard will respond too.
Has there ever been a murder here?
I don't think so.
Apparently back in the 1700s.
Oh, okay. In the 1700s, there was a murder.
Apparently, rumor
Apparently.
has it.
Yeah.
Okay, you leave the doors open and all that stuff, right?
Yeah, I mean, there is petty theft on the island. The biggest thing that
Everybody
gets
watches.
stolen.
It's a small community. Everybody
Yeah.
watches out for.
The biggest thing that gets stolen on the island is firewood.
Sad to say, but it's time to head back to the mainland. We booked 3 days here for our visit, which we thought would be plenty, but it wasn't long enough. We wish we had been a week or even longer, and I think that's exactly what we'll do next year. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thank you for watching PhotowalksTV. Please be sure to check out the blog section of our PhotowalksTV.com website for a complete post with more information about Savary Island. Be sure to subscribe to the jeffersongraham.substack.com newsletter for the latest tech meets photo meets travel. And I'll see you on the next Photo Walk. Bye-bye, everyone.